In this video, I'm going to show how to set up WhatsApp notification for every new lead coming from Facebook lead ads. I'm going to use Integromat and the WhatsApp app for Integromat by notify.toys. I will assume that you already have an Integromat account and you know how to use it. And I'm going to focus on the WhatsApp notifications. So here is a scenario where I trigger it by catching a new lead from the Facebook lead ads. And this module here is the WhatsApp module I would like to add to my scenario. So for doing that, I'm going to go to notify.toys. And over here, I have this button, sign up with WhatsApp. When I'm clicking that button, I have this predefined message to a WhatsApp bot coming up. I would like to sign up for Notify Toys, please. And when I send this message, I'm getting back an API key. So I'm gonna keep it. There it is. Here is my API key. Yep, perfect. Now, next thing would be over here, I have a link, integromat.notify.toys. That's the link to the Integromat app. I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna add the app to my inventory. See in a minute how it looks like. There we go. So you see we have this button, start inventory. So I see this little check mark here. Start using WhatsApp. I did that. I go with my scenario. And this is how it looks like when it's already connected. Let's delete that and start anew. So I'm adding a new module. I'm gonna pick up WhatsApp. If you don't see it, just search WhatsApp. So yeah, let's do that. WhatsApp. There we go. And over here, I see several modules. I'm gonna pick the push new lead. You can cover the rest in a different video. So push new lead. Click that one. And now let's see what I need to fill here. I start with filling up a connection. I already have one, but if you don't, so that would be my WhatsApp connection. And I'm gonna put my API key here. I don't wanna have too many connections here, so I'm gonna pick an existing one. So I made a connection. Here it is. And let's start. This is the recipient WhatsApp number. In this case, it's me. Let's say I'm the client. So I'm gonna put my number. And I'm gonna get to this number the WhatsApp notifications. Now, let's see what I get from the Facebook lead ads. I have a whole bunch of fields, and in the specific form, like the lead ads form I was picking, I have only two fields, the full name and the phone number. So in the lead name, I'm gonna take the full name. In the lead phone number, I'm gonna put the phone number. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put a default country code because sometimes my clients, my lead, they fill the phone number without their country code, and I want to have a full format of the phone number, so I will be able to send them a WhatsApp message. So in my case, I can assume that if I don't have a country code in the phone number, my country code is 972. So in the content of the WhatsApp notification I will get will cover, I'm not sure what I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna put the ad name here just for having something. Let's start with this. So I'm gonna say okay, and I'm gonna run this demo. This demo is going to run, and we're going to run this module. And let's give some content to simulate the lead. So let's say this is the lead that came from here. Let's say it's Bob Dylan with this phone number, and we got it from the guitars ad. I'm saying, okay, go for it, and let's see what's going on in WhatsApp. Okay, this is what I got. Let's zoom in for a minute. Okay, so we have new lead, the source is undefined, name is Bob Dylan, phone is this, and direct message is this. Context, guitar. So if I click on that number now, I will have a new message to Bob Dylan, to this number, without having to save his number in my contacts. Now let's do something a bit more interesting. I can go back here to this model whenever this machine responds. And over here in the source, I can define the source according to the different campaigns I have. So let's say this is like the weekend, or actually I can, yeah, I have here the campaign name. So let's give this I'm gonna put the campaign name here. And over here I have the lead predefined message. So this is the message I can set in advance to reach out to the lead with. So I can put it something like, hi, thanks for reaching out. A good time to call you, please. And that's it. Now, when I'm gonna run this again and simulate the incoming lead again, so once again, the campaign name would be like weekend guitar ads, whatever, I don't know, guitar. And once again, we have Bob Dylan leaving some details, and we're gonna go for it. And when we're gonna get the lead this time, you see we have a slightly longer message link here. You can see the weekend ads, and we see this link. Now, when I'm gonna click this link, I'm having a new message ready to send to be sent to Bob Dylan with this predefined message. So by doing that, we're actually minimizing the response time from getting a lead in Facebook lead ads till the actual message that I send to the recipient by WhatsApp. I don't need to save the contact. I get it immediately to my WhatsApp. I see the context. I click the link. I have this message ready. I send it, and that's it. So give it a shot and let me know how it works. Thank you.